Welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Poppy in her new skin from Dandy's World. And don't forget to pause the video, follow along at your own pace. So first we're going to get started at the top of the bow. And let's start by drawing a straight line directly in the center. On each side of this now, we're going to pull a straight line that comes down to the bottom. And we're just going to end that at the exact same height. Let's close this off on the bottom now with a straight line. Let's continue with the bow. So from that edge, we're going to curve this line around and through to the left. And then we'll replicate that on the right hand side as well, dragging that down. Now from this corner, we're going to round that edge out, curving that over and through to the top. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the opposite side. Let's close off the top of the bow now. So from this edge, we're going to curve this line around and we're just going to continue to arch this all the way through towards that corner on the top of that rectangle. Stepping across on the right now, let's replicate that. Let's add some small rectangles in here now. So to the right, coming up on a diagonal, we're going to follow the arch here. So we're going to draw one rectangle on the top coming up on a diagonal to follow that arch line. We'll do the same on the left. Let's leave a small gap replicating that. So coming across again on a diagonal, drawing in another rectangle. Let's leave another gap coming over, finishing that off for our third one. And now for the last one on this row, just drawing in our final rectangle. Now let's come down. We're going to arch this through to the bottom part of the bow now. So again, another rectangle. Let's leave a small gap now, drawing in our second one, and we're going to draw 4 in total like we did on the top. Let's continue to arch this down, so leaving a small gap, drawing in our third rectangle. And now let's draw in our final one, so our final gap here, bringing this over to the side. Now let's draw in a nice big circle underneath for the head. So starting underneath the bow here, we're going to curve this line around, arching this over, flattening that out as we come in for the chin. Let's step across on the right, replicating that. So we're going to pull this all the way around, tucking that in, blending that together right in the center. Let's come up. From the center, stepping over on the left, let's draw in a circle for the left eye. And now let's leave a gap, lining it up at the exact same height, and we'll replicate that on the right. Let's move over towards the inside edge now. We're going to draw in a smaller circle for the pupil. And then we'll step across on the right, replicating that. Let's come over to the right now, drawing in a smaller circle for the highlight. Now let's color in the rest of the eye black. Now let's come up. We're going to draw in a diagonal line coming down, curving this around, pulling that back up and through for the eyebrow. And then again, we'll just color that in black. Let's add in 2 eyelashes here. So stepping over on a diagonal, bringing this up, arching that, and then flattening that out on the side. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. And now coming down one more time, leaving a small gap, let's replicate that again. And then now let's just color in the eyelashes black. Let's draw an arch line on the top here. So we're going to curve this all the way across and over to the right. And then we're going to come underneath, continuing to arch this around and through to the right, creating that circle. Let's draw on her smile. So stepping into the middle, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. We'll round the edge out, curving this over, arching this around, tucking that back in on the side. Now from the middle, stepping out, we're going to draw a diagonal line on the left and right hand side. Let's come down for the dress. So from the middle, stepping out, we're going to curve this line in. We'll do the exact same thing, lining that up the exact same height. Let's close this off underneath now with a curved line. Stepping up in the center from the middle, we're going to arch that out to the left. And now again from the center, we're just going to curve this up and over to the right. Now from that edge, we're going to curve this further out for the bottom of the skirt. And then we'll close this off with a curved line. Now let's come in towards the middle. We're going to draw in a diamond shape. So we're going to draw 2 diagonal lines from the point on the middle. And then we'll basically just connect those together, bringing those into the center on the bottom. Let's step across again. So coming up with that point, we'll do the same on the right. Now from here on the top, we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines. And then let's bring those diagonal lines in on the bottom. Now on each side, we're going to draw another diagonal line coming in towards the top. Let's round out the sleeves. So from the chin here, we're going to curve this over and into the dress. We'll replicate that on the right-hand side as well. Now for the arm on the bottom, drawing a small diagonal line coming out on each side, ending that at the same height. Let's round our thumb out. So we're going to curve this over and back in. Let's continue with the rest of the hand. So stepping down on this line, we're going to curve this out, pulling that through on the top. And then now from that edge, we're just going to draw another diagonal line coming up to the sleeve there. Let's move in behind and we're going to draw in a curved line, arching that over and through on the side. And now let's come in and draw the legs. So leaving a gap from the middle, we're going to draw 2 straight lines coming down on the left and right hand side, and we're going to end those at the same height. We're going to come across now, lining that up at the same height, pulling that back through to the bottom of the dress. Let's come underneath now. We're going to draw in a nice big arch line for the front of the shoe. And then lastly, we're just going to close that off with a curved line from left to right. And that is it. That's how you draw Poppy in her new skin from Dandy's World. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.